Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play your PlayStation games on your phones using the remote play feature, which means you can play all of your PlayStation games as long as you have connected to a strong Wi-Fi network. First thing first, you got to make sure the PlayStation is enabled to go remote play. So you go to settings, systems, select remote play and enable remote play. Now your PlayStation is ready to play remote. So now we'll go to your phone and the controller. So here I'm going to show you how to pair your phone and the PlayStation 5 controller. All right, let's get your phones. Now in this case, I'm using an iPhone. So go to your settings, Bluetooth, make sure you turn off your Bluetooth. Now that you turn it off, you take the PlayStation control, press the share button on top of the left with the PlayStation button for like 3 seconds. Once you do that, you go back to the phone, turn on the Bluetooth. It should show up the PlayStation option, and then you can pair the devices. So let's go ahead and do that. Go to settings, Bluetooth, turn it off. Let's go press the share button and the PlayStation button, and then 1, 2, 3. So you're going back to the Bluetooth, turn it on, and there you go. Now you can pair the devices. Now it's all connected to your phone. So now I'm going to show you exactly what app you need to download to play the PlayStation games. So first we got the console ready by enabling the remote feature, and then we pair the controller to the iPhone. That part is already done. Now that we download the PlayStation Remote Play app. Once you have the PlayStation app, you launch the app and then you'll be asked to log in with your PlayStation account. So please go ahead and do that. And you can also choose which console you want to play, PS4 or PS5. In this case, I'm having a PS5, so I'm going to go with the PlayStation 5, and it'll give you this prompt message asking you to enable the remote feature. We already did that. If you haven't done that, please go ahead and follow the steps that I explained before. And then it'll take a little bit time depending on your Wi-Fi network. And then also you got to make sure your PlayStation is on the same Wi-Fi as your phone. So from this point, you pair the devices for the first time. You can travel with your iPhone and the controller and play all your games anywhere you go. Make sure you have good Wi-Fi connection to play all of the games, because it does require a better refresh rate. You don't want to have any lags. So I'm in the dashboard right now. I can literally see everything on a PlayStation console. So there you go. I can see all my games. I can play all of them. So yeah, so this is how you connect your controller and play on your phone. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, share the videos. Stay tuned with the red dot.